After plucking, the fresh tea leaves are brought into the factory for the first stage of processing, withering. This step is essential in preparing the leaves for transformation. At Bluefield tea, the leaves are spread out in long troughs, where carefully controlled air is passed over them. Over several hours, nearly half of the leaf's natural moisture is removed. This reduces the weight, softens the leaf, and makes it flexible for rolling. But withering is more than drying. It also begins to develop the fragrance of the tea. The fresh, grassy smell of the leaves slowly changes into a mellow, floral aroma that signals readiness for the next stage. Our team of experts constantly monitors the temperature, airflow, and humidity to ensure consistency. Too much withering can weaken the leaf. Too little can make it hard to roll. Precision is the key. By the end of withering, the leaves are soft, pliable, and aromatic, perfectly prepared for the next step in the journey from leaf to cup.